Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the quotient rule. So whenever the two functions are in this form, in the fraction form, let us say, and suppose u is a function of x and v is also a function of x. So u is in numerator and v is in denominator. So ddx of u upon v equals to denominator. So we will first write the denominator times ddx of numerator minus numerator times ddx of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So this is how we will do. Okay, here the quotient is differentiate log x over x. So now let us differentiate this function ddx of log of x over x. So using the using the quotient rule, I have to write the denominator first. Then ddx of numerator minus numerator ddx of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So it will be x times ddx of log x is 1 over x minus log of x times ddx of x is 1 whole divided by x square. So it will be 1 minus log x over x square. Next question number 2. Differentiate x square minus 1 over x square plus 7x plus 1. So let me use the quotient rule here. So here it will be ddx of x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 7x plus 1. So here my numerator is x square minus 1 and denominator is x square plus 7x plus 1. Okay, so it will be, according to quotient rule, let me write the denominator first. So it will be x square plus 7x plus 1. Then differentiate the numerator minus, let us write the numerator first, x square minus 1. Then differentiate the denominator whole divided by denominator square. So it will be whole square like this. So let us differentiate and make it simple. X square plus 7x plus 1. Now here ddx of x square means 2x minus ddx of 1 will be 0 minus x square minus 1. Here ddx of x square will be 2x plus ddx of 7x will be 7 plus ddx of 1 will be 0 whole divided by x square plus 7x plus 1 square. So it will be x square plus 7x plus 1 times 2x minus x square minus 1 twice x plus 7 whole divided by x square plus 7x plus 1 whole square. So you can keep like this also. Okay, no need to simplify, you just have differentiated a function. Next, number 3, we have differentiate sec x minus tan x over sec x plus tan x. So my numerator is sec x plus tan x and denominator is sec x plus tan x. So using the quotient rule, if I differentiate this function, then it will be somewhat like so. Let me write the denominator first. It is sec x plus tan x. Then differentiate the numerator, that is sec x minus tan x, minus the numerator first, sec x minus tan x. Then differentiate the denominator, that is sec x plus tan x whole divided by sec x plus tan x whole square. So now let us differentiate. So it is sec x plus tan x. Now ddx of sec x is sec x tan x minus d dx of tan x is sec square x minus sec x minus tan x. D dx of sec x is sec x tan x minus plus d dx of tan x is sec square x whole divided by sec x plus tan x whole square equals to, now here let me take sec x and sec x as common, then it will be sec x times sec x plus tan x times tan x minus sec x. And from the second term, let me take sec x and sec x common, and from this portion let me take minus also common. Okay, from here then it will be plus, and if I take sec x from there, so it will be sec x, and here it will be tan x minus sec x, then tan x plus sec x whole divided by sec x plus tan x whole square. Now as you can see in the numerator there are two terms, and in these two terms sec x plus tan x is common, and after that tan x minus sec x and tan x minus sec x are common. So let me take these two as common, then it will be sec x plus tan x times tan x minus sec x. So we will be remaining with sec x plus sec x, so it will be sec x plus sec x whole divided by sec x plus tan x whole square. Now as you can see that sec x plus tan x and here this square is getting cancelled, so this portion and this square is getting cancelled, so it will be tan x minus sec x. Sec x plus sec x can be written as twice x divided by sec x plus tan x. So this is our answer.